Welcome back, my friends, to another sprinkler tech tip video. I am Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and what I have for you today is a replacement face pack for a Hunter Pro C controller. So let's go ahead and take this out. It comes nicely bubble wrapped from Hunter to protect it. And here is the face panel. You can see that obviously it's for the Hunter Pro C there. And what you'll do is you'll just disconnect, I probably don't have to explain it because it's pretty self-explanatory, but you'll just disconnect the ribbon cable from your existing Hunter Pro C controller when you replace it. And always recommended to disconnect the power to any device whenever you're switching out electrical components like this. Sometimes it's not for electrocution reasons, it's just because sometimes putting hot swapping these types of panels can accidentally short electronics. So you want to be careful not to have it powered up when you swap out the panel. And then yeah, you'll just disconnect the ribbon cable, connect the new ribbon cable, and this little switch here is what releases the hinge. You can see as I slide that down, those pins go up and down. So that's how you release and remove the panel. That slot there is for the 9-volt battery. And really, I think with these units, the 9-volt battery, could be wrong, but I think the 9-volt battery is just for your date and time. I do think the programming stays, but it might not. Anyway, so yeah, that's the Pro C replacement panel. We do sell a lot of these if you're in a lightning prone area of the country, like the Southeast, the Carolinas, Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, South Texas, tons of lightning. And you know, these often need to be replaced if it fails due to that. And it's way easier to just buy a new replacement panel than to switch out your whole controller. And I think with that said, actually, you may consider either checking with your sprinkler contractor or contacting Hunter prior to replacing this. And I say that because just because the screen is out doesn't mean that the panel has failed. Your transformer could have failed. The incoming power, you might not have incoming power. Check and see if it's plugged into a GFI outlet. And I think there's maybe another board inside the controller that could have failed. So it might not be the face panel, but if it is, super easy swap out. You can totally do it yourself. No need to have a professional do it. If you don't remember how to program it, you can check with the manual, download the manual online. So with that said, if you have any questions about your Hunter system in general, your rotors, your sprays, your drip, your valves, we are happy to help you. And we also extend that to if you've got a Rainbird system or a Toro system or a K-Rain system or a Weathermatic, whatever your sprinkler and lighting needs might be, we are happy to help you, and you can reach out to us on phone, chat, and email, and we're here for you anytime. So I think that wraps this up, and next tech tip, happy sprinkling, and we'll talk to you then.